friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing smart bracelet M4band. So let's start this unboxing. Open this box, you get the monitor and a strap. I think that is a good strap, rubber material, but good in this budget. So also good. And next here you give charger, USB type charger. How to carry it? This yellow golden material is connect here. Here you see in this way, and then you set it the adapter in this way, and you connect the in the switch board. Okay, so friends, so let's talk about this M4 band. At first I connect monitor set in a strap properly. Friends, this M4 band is the button touch. How? Here a button, you see, touch one, the main interface, the dialog. Then how with the many apps like this, so you touch, double touch. Then first app is steps. How many steps you go in one day, count here. So how to is open, you long press the button in this way, then you see the how many steps you went and how many kilometer, how many kilocalorie you taken. All about how to back, you back in the long press here this button, and next heart rate open for you long press here. Here the sensor, check your heart rate in this way. I check my heart rate. My heart is 82. I think that is not real heartbeat for this. It is not real, not idea, because the band measure the things heart rate. That is it in this way. Let's see this here. How possible this things heart rate 77? So I tell the band is not checking the real heartbeat, and then you gave sports message, sleep, weather, music. You control your phone, and from phone your music, favorite song, all other more. How long press then you click your camera in selfie, looking for your mobile them. You change your them. 2 starts you get these them. 3 start you can hurt them. So I got these them, so I select it, long press it, and back. So how to you change the dial all other color. So how to check? You connect at first the M4 band in mobile. How it I tell you. So let's go.